What's up, YouTube? I'm back again. So, as I was further going through my HDP care package, I found these. Sorry, brother, I didn't pull anything out of it till I was getting ready to go in the office. So, sent me a challenge coin. This is not a challenge coin. That is a challenge coin. Awesome sauce. And on this side, don't tread on me. I still have the original. I'm pretty sure it's in the safe because I always lose stuff. I've lost many a challenge coin just by putting them in my pockets, and then I crawl around on the ground or whatever, and I lose them. This is awesome. So, again, thank you very much. Like I said, you didn't know me anything, and I just, I appreciate your channel, and so thank you again. And yeah, I don't know. I mean, I appreciate it, man. You didn't have to send me anything. I was just trying to help you out. So go check him out. HDP, live free. Thumbs up, thumbs down. Bitch, most complaints, leave them in the comment section below. I'm Irish MC Vet. Simplify, Godspeed.